Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix KFC not working issue in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.